Welcome back, first grade. Here we are for phonemic awareness. If you're seeing me, you've already done your letter cards for today. And so we are going to work on some of our phonemic awareness activities. I'm going to try to slow it down from last week. This is actually take 3 of this video because I keep going over the 15 minutes allotted to me. And so I'm going to slow down, but I can't slow down too much or we're not going to get through all of this because they actually added 3 or 4 more activities onto this week's phonemic awareness lesson. So with that said, I will try to slow down, but let's jump to it. The first thing we're going to work on this week is rhyme recognition. So the teacher, me, I'm going to give you 3 words, and you're going to repeat back to me the 2 words that rhyme. So there are 3 words, 2 rhyme, 1 doesn't. It's kind of like one of these things is not like the other. You're going to tell me the 2 words that rhyme. So here's the example. The teacher says, read, fed, feed. And the students repeat back the 2 words out of those 3 that rhyme. Read, fed. Okay? Here we go. Sat, bat, seat. Tim, Jim, not. Cub, rub, knob. Get, let, feet. Mop, hop, dip. Read, fed, feed. Go, hot, nut. Sorry guys, that was got, hot, nut. Try it again. Got, hot, nut. I really don't want to make it take 4. Ham, ram, he. Fit, bit, got. Sun, run, tan. Okay, good. Now we're going to practice our onset fluency again, recognizing the beginning sounds in words. We did those last week, so I'm going to give you an example. Teacher says nap, student says nap, and then they say for the beginning sound. Here we go. Sad, rib, bop, yum, fed, lap, mix, dot, cub, web. Very good. All right, now we're going to work on blending words. We did this last week as well. I give you 2 words with my hands like this. You repeat the 2 words like this, and then you put them together to make a compound word. So here's the example. Teacher says fire, fly. Students repeat fire, fly, and put it together to make firefly. Okay, here we go. Airplane. Downtown. Homework. Sandbox. Washroom. Bookmark. Farmhouse. Mailman. Sidewalk. Waterfall. Very good. All right, let me turn the page. We're going to work now on identifying the final sounds in words. So I'm going to give you a word, and you're going to repeat it, but you're going to really emphasize the last sound in the word. For example, I say job, then you say job, and really emphasize that ending sound. Again, the teacher says job, student says job, and really emphasizes that end sound. Here we go. Let. Hid. Dug. Bath. Job. Bell. Fox. can, sip, bus. Very good. All right, now we're going to segment words. So this time I'm going to give you the compound word, like the word outside. And then you're going to repeat the word outside and then break it apart. Outside. So let's do an example. Outside. Student says outside. Outside. Very good. Here we go. Bedtime. Flashlight. Ponytail. Swimsuit. Driveway. Cowboy. Football. Popcorn. Teacup. Firewood. Very good. All right, now we're going to do one where we substitute words. These are the ones that I kind of did with my fist last week, and I know I flew through them, so I will slow down. I was doing phonemic awareness in May and not thinking phonemic awareness in September, which is a little bit different. So watch my hands. I'm going to give you a word, eyelid, and then you're going to repeat eyelid. You do not have to do anything with your hands for this one. Your hands are on vacation. I just need you to listen and to speak. So teacher says eyelid, student says eyelid, and I'm going to tell you to change lid to brow. And so it's not eyelid anymore. Now it's eyebrow. Are you ready? Here we go. Remember, your hands are on vacation, so don't worry about shaking your fists. All right, the first one is airplane. Change plane to port. Blueberry. Change berry to bird. Every day. Change day to body. Handbook. Change book to shake. Seashore. Change shore to weed. Bookmark. Change mark to case. Eyelid. Change lid to brow. Headline. Change line to phone. Snowball. Change ball to storm. Fireman. Change man to place. Good. Those are tricky, but you did a really good job on those. All right. I'm watching my clock down at the bottom. We're doing okay. Now, this time we're going to work on adding words. So I'm going to give you a word. For example, I'm going to say boat. Then you as a student would also get your hands out and say boat. Then I'm going to say add life at the beginning. And the word is lifeboat. You put it together. All right, here we go. Air, add plane at the end. I, add sight at the end. Any, add one at the end. Play, add house at the end. Back, add ground at the end. Book, add worm at the end. Hand, add shake at the end. Rain, add fall at the end. Water, add color at the end. Life, add guard at the end. Perfect. All right, now we're going to actually delete words. So I am going to put out two hands like this to show a compound word. My example is lifeboat, and then the student would repeat lifeboat. And then I'm going to say without boat. What is the word? Life. It's the only word left. So we're going to take parts of words away. And I am running out of time, so we might go through these pretty quickly. So you might want to pause the video as we go, or your teacher might, because I've got about 4 minutes. Here we go. Sailboat. Without boat. Highway. Without way. Lipstick. Without stick. Doghouse. Without house. Baseball. Without ball. Skyscraper. Without scraper. Road work. Without work. Drumstick. Without stick. Lifeboat. Without boat. Pothole. Without hole. We did it. All right. The last ones are pretty easy. I read you a sentence. You repeat the sentence and tell me how many words. Again, I'm running super low on time. I'm watching the clock. So if I go through these too quick, you'll probably need to pause. So the first sentence is, the cat is black. Now you say, the cat is black. And tell me how many words are in it. Yeah, 4. Here's your next one. I can see you now. She did not go to school. I am fine. He ran home fast. The ball went up high. It is not hot. Guys, you did it, and we are under the time clock, even when we slowed down. So hopefully this was better for you. I have a couple more lessons to record, and now I think we found a pretty good pace. So it only took me, 3 tries? Now we finally have today's phonemic awareness. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for working so hard.